Hi, you are watching PDMS tutorial. In this lesson we will learn how to create more than one branch with T. So we want connection like this. This should be our first branch up to this T, and this is second branch, and this is third branch. So we will make connection like this. Remember, this is first branch. So we will create first branch. If this kind of error or this kind of drawing will occur, so just click right click, go to zoom, entire view, walk through entire view. So it will come up like this, and then so just go to piping zone, and here I have created a suction pipe. Now I will create discharge pipe. Just go to create pipe, and I am giving name discharge. Click OK, and for creating a branch, we know this is head point, this is the discharging. So in our previous video we have learned what is head and tail. So we are giving connection, apply, click on this and dismiss. We don't know where is our tail point, so just give the head point and start creating component from this component. So it is forward. So I want to tell you one thing: forward connection start from head and backward connection start from tail. So it will start from head, so we will give forward connection. After nozzle, put gasket, and first of all click this auto connection on. Go to setting, choose option, select all, dismiss, create gasket. So if this error will come, this error is nothing. Okay, and just give 3 mm spool. Flange, weld neck flange. I am creating elbow. I am rotating it through 90 degree. Give a spool 200. So I have given 200 spool. The difference between spool and distance is like this: spool measure from weld to weld, and distance measure from its center distance to its center distance. So that is the difference between spool and distance. Here we can see spool and distance. So we have given spool, that means we have given weld to weld distance. So I want my T should be on middle of both pump. So I will measure distance. Go to measure distance. Here is any select element and select this nozzle, and select this nozzle and zoom in, select this nozzle. So its distance is 5000. So we need T should be here on 2500. Just dismiss and selection on this, create T. So our current bore size is 80 mm and I want 80 T. So just create it, rotate 90 degree and 2000 and press enter, and then give a distance, so it will come exactly middle of it. You can measure it, click element and click on this nozzle, so it is exactly middle of it, 2500. Just dismiss it. So we have created here one branch, but our tail point is not yet defined, so we will define it. Just go to connect branch, give tail point, here is T, apply. Okay, so it is created, that means this branch is complete. Dismiss. So our first branch is complete and we will create second branch. So go to this point and first of all select this and create new branch. So our head point is nozzle, our tail point is T. So if you will click T, so it shows connection here. We want connection here, so just reset it, apply head and give tail to branch tail. This is a branch tail, this is head point, it is tail point, so it is a branch tail, and click apply. Go to this point and it will shown like this, that means it is correct. Dismiss. So our branch is created here. Just go to create, if this is a dismiss, so go to here component, and now we will create gasket. So we will give 3 mm to gasket, spool, after this flange, weld neck flange, elbow, 90° elbow, rotate through 90°, mm spool. So if this level is same, it will connect automatically. If there is a error between distance or it is not on same level, so it will not connect automatically. So our distance 200 from here, 200 from here, so its distance is same, so it will be connect automatically. So now we will create our third branch. Dismiss this. So my nozzle point is here. So just create third branch. Make sure your selection on pipe discharge. Create branch. Head. First of all I will define tail point. Tail is nozzle. Define head. It is on T. Apply. Just zoom in. So we have given branch connection. Go to create component, and I will show you how to make connection from backward. So I will give backward connection. If you give backward connection, it start from tail point. If you give forward connection, it start from head point. So we are giving backward connection, that means it start from tail point. So we will give backward connection, you can give forward connection also. So I am producing gasket. Spool, create flange. After this you will need elbow, rotate through 180 degree, giving spool 200. After this one elbow 90 degree, no need to change. I am giving through ID cursor and just go to the main head point and click this, so it will come up to this level automatically. So it is come up here, and then after one elbow 90 degree, rotate through 90 degree. I am giving spool 2000. I need one more elbow, rotate through 90 degree, click on ID cursor, click this to match this level. So if your level is correct, it will connect automatically. Dismiss this. We have created our third branch. If our connection is correct, you can cross check it by isometric view. Just click discharge pipe, go to utility, pipe isometric. If it is created, that means your connection is correct. If it is not showing, it is showing error, that means there is a error in something, so you have to look. If you like my videos, then like and subscribe. Thank you.